At the Limited Cigar Association, our job from the beginning has been to add value to our retail partners, our brick and mortar shops, okay? Some of the Limited Cigar Association shops are having such huge success with the LCA because they have truly embraced the consumers that we've sent in to their locations, and they've also allowed their regulars to embrace the Limited Cigar Association products. Where you place the box has a lot to do with it, and how much your shop clerks know about the LCA also has a lot to do with it. But some of the shops are having so much success with it, it's absolutely amazing. And it's the first time in cigar retail history that online and local brick and mortar are able to not just coexist, but to win together. And so we want to up the ante on that. We want to take it a step further. At Privada Cigar Club, we have been testing something called, or beta testing something called Smoke Live. Smoke Live is this idea of being able to pre-purchase, okay, before something's released, a cigar, okay, that comes with pairing products that go with the cigar. So the last one was the cigar. It was a tea that came with the cigar to sip while you were smoking it, and it also came with a fruit leather that you ate in the final third to bring out different and new flavors and nuances in that cigar. Creating this cigar experience that the new cigar consumers are looking for, and old alike. So that's what Smoke Live has been. So we know some shops in the world are, after COVID, they're not seeing the same return that they saw prior to COVID. And so we want to, once again, help to change that. And so what we want to do is not just create events for your shop, okay, because we can't be at 485 shops across the country, especially all at one time, or can we? So what we've been doing is working on this Smoke Live because we want to create a once a month, basically viewing party at your local brick and mortar, at your shop. And how we're going to do this is by using modern technology, by using an experiential cigar smoking experience, and just time and effort put into us sitting down with your customers live every second Friday of the month to smoke a cigar with them and have the pairings that we sent with that cigar, okay? The beauty of it is it's pre-purchase only, so you don't have to buy 60 of something and maybe only sell 40 of it. You can put tickets up for sale pre-purchase ahead of time and let us know how many you sold so we know how many cigar and pairing kits to send you. It's a beautiful program. We're going to have to iron out some kinks, but I believe that this is the future of cigar smoking events and experiences. It will all be virtual. There is no way to create this type of community nationwide without doing something like this. Showing up at your shop is awesome, and we may make connections with 3 to 5 of your best customers and vice versa, but this is the future. And we all have to read the writing on the wall. If we're gonna keep local brick and mortar alive, we have to do a lot more innovative stuff, and this is where it begins. Join us for LCA Smoke Lives starting in the month of August. It will be the pre-release of the DK Duo, a cigar that 2 cigars that we are extremely proud of. The cigars come in a double coffin, which is a nice souvenir to remember that experience by. It's going to be phenomenal. The cigars are going to come with not just pairings for each cigar, but something to have in between the cigars to refresh the palate. It's going to be a great 2 to 3 hour experience that we would love to pack your local brick and mortar shop in with our consumers and your consumers alike, this shared audience that is becoming the craft movement in cigar culture. So, more info will follow. If you're a shop in the LCA or a shop that wants to be LCA, please contact Clark at privadacigarclub.com and we will get you more info, and keep an eye out for more videos for the DK Duo coming soon. Hashtag we are Privada, hashtag we are family, hashtag we are the industry. Peace.